What if I told you that AI isn't just the future, it's your secret weapon to unlocking insane growth for your side hustle this year? Stick around, because today we're revealing exactly how. We're in 2025 and AI is blowing up, but not just in those cool, futuristic ways you see in movies. I'm talking about AI as your secret weapon, your unfair advantage to absolutely crush it in the side hustle game. Forget grinding away for minimal gains. We're diving deep into how AI can automate your tasks, help you create killer content, and even uncover hidden opportunities you never even knew existed. This isn't some far-off fantasy. This is happening right now. So if you're ready to level up, to transform your side hustle from a slow burn to explosive growth, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. Okay, let's be real. AI gets thrown around a lot these days. But trust me, this isn't just hype. Think about it. AI is already powering so much of what we use every day. From personalized recommendations on Spotify and Netflix to those eerily accurate suggested replies in your email. Now imagine harnessing that power for your side hustle. We're talking about automating those tedious, repetitive tasks that eat up your time, freeing you up to focus on the big picture stuff. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, way faster than any human ever could. That means you get insights into your audience, your market, and your competition that you could never uncover on your own. Think about a side hustle like, say, selling handcrafted jewelry on Etsy. AI can help you optimize your listings, target the right customers, and even predict upcoming trends in the jewelry world. The bottom line is this: AI isn't just some futuristic tech for the tech giants. It's a game changer for anyone hustling to build something meaningful. So we've talked about the why behind AI's power. Now let's get into the how, the actual tools that can transform your side hustle workflow. First up, we've got Zapier. If you're tired of manually transferring data between apps, copying and pasting information, or just dealing with repetitive tasks, Zapier is your new best friend. Think about it. How much time do you waste every week just on those little things? Zapier connects the apps you use every day and automates those tasks in the background. You set it up once and it runs like a well-oiled machine, freeing up your time and mental energy. Next, let's talk about Buffer. Social media is crucial for almost any side hustle these days, but managing it can feel like a full-time job in itself. Buffer takes the headache out of social media by using AI to schedule your posts at the optimal times for maximum engagement. But it's more than just scheduling. Buffer analyzes your audience's behavior and suggests the best content to share, even helping you craft the perfect captions. And finally, no more writer's block or staring at a blank page for hours. Copy.ai is an AI-powered copywriting assistant that generates high-quality marketing copy in seconds. Alright, let's get real. Content is king, right? But creating engaging, high-quality content takes time, effort, and often a whole lot of coffee. The good news is, AI is here to supercharge your content creation process, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. First up is InVideo AI. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank or spending hours learning complicated editing software. InVideo AI uses artificial intelligence to transform your text, articles, or even social media posts into captivating videos in minutes. You can choose from a library of templates, add music, and even generate voiceovers, all within the platform. It's never been easier to create scroll-stopping video content that grabs attention and keeps your audience hooked. Next, we've got Jasper AI. This AI-powered writing assistant helps you generate blog posts, articles, website copy, emails, and even books, all with incredible speed and accuracy. Just give Jasper a brief outline or some key talking points and it'll do the rest, crafting compelling, original content that ranks well in search engines and resonates with your audience. Okay, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of AI for side hustlers, its ability to uncover hidden opportunities. We're not just talking about making what you're already doing a little bit better. We're talking about discovering entirely new niches, trends, and revenue streams you might never have found on your own. Tools like Trends.co are like having a crystal ball for the market. Trends.co uses AI to analyze millions of data points, identifying emerging trends across various industries before they even hit the mainstream. Imagine getting ahead of the curve, being the first to capitalize on a hot new product or service before everyone else jumps on board. That's the power of AI-driven trend analysis. Then there's exploding topics. This tool is like a search engine for the next big thing. It scours the internet for keywords, phrases, and topics that are experiencing a sudden surge in interest, giving you a real-time glimpse into what people are searching for, talking about, and, most importantly, spending money on. Imagine finding out about a niche product or service that's about to explode in popularity. Let's be real, building a successful side hustle is all about building relationships with your customers. But in today's fast-paced, always-on world, keeping up with every message, comment, and query can feel impossible. That's where AI-powered customer engagement tools come in, automating and enhancing your interactions to create a seamless, personalized experience for every customer. One of the most powerful tools in this space is Drift. Drift is an AI-driven chatbot platform that acts as your 24/7 customer service agent, answering questions, qualifying leads, and even booking meetings, all while you sleep. Imagine this. A potential customer lands on your website at 3 a.m., eager to learn more about your product or service. Instead of waiting until business hours to get their questions answered, they're greeted by your friendly AI chatbot, ready to provide instant support and guidance. Data is the lifeblood of any successful side hustle. But let's be honest, sifting through spreadsheets and analytics reports can feel about as exciting as watching paint dry. The good news? AI is here to transform your relationship with data, turning it from a tedious chore into a source of actionable insights. First up, we've got Google Analytics AI, the powerhouse of the analytics world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Google Analytics? That's not exactly new. And you're right, but what is new is the AI baked into the platform, taking it to a whole new level. We're talking about predictive analytics, which means Google Analytics can now anticipate future trends based on your historical data. Imagine knowing which products are likely to be your top sellers next quarter, or predicting customer churn before it even happens. This kind of foresight allows you to make proactive decisions, optimize your marketing campaigns, and allocate your resources more effectively. It's like having a team of data scientists working behind the scenes, crunching numbers and uncovering hidden patterns to give you a competitive edge. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Specifically, how AI can help you manage it more effectively, grow your savings, and even generate passive income. First up is Mint, the AI-powered personal finance app that's been helping people get a handle on their money for years. But Mint isn't just about tracking your spending. It's about using AI to help you make smarter financial decisions. Mint analyzes your income, expenses, and financial goals, offering personalized recommendations for saving, budgeting, and even investing. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, helping you make the most of your hard-earned cash. But what about putting your money to work for you? That's where AI trading bots come in. These sophisticated algorithms analyze market data in real time, identifying profitable trading opportunities and executing trades on your behalf 24/7. The key is to do your research, choose reputable platforms, and start small. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work in the real world? The answer is a resounding yes. We've seen countless side hustlers use AI to achieve incredible results, transforming their businesses and their lives in the process. Take Sarah, for example. She started a small online bakery from her home kitchen, selling handcrafted cakes and pastries. Business was good, but she was overwhelmed with the day-to-day operations, from managing orders and inventory to creating content for social media. That's when she discovered the power of AI. She implemented tools like Zapier to automate her order fulfillment process, Buffer to schedule her social media posts, and InVideo AI to create eye-catching video content that showcased her delicious creations. The results were astounding. Sarah was able to free up hours of her time each week, allowing her to focus on her passion, baking. Her social media engagement skyrocketed, leading to a surge in orders and revenue. Then there's John, a freelance writer who was struggling to keep up with the demands of his growing client base. He was spending countless hours researching, writing, and editing, leaving him feeling burnt out and creatively drained. Desperate for a solution, John turned to AI-powered writing assistants like Jasper. All right, By now, I hope you're feeling fired up and ready to unleash the power of AI on your own side hustle. But I know it can feel overwhelming knowing where to start. So, let's break it down into some simple, actionable steps you can take today. First things first, identify your biggest pain points. What are the most time-consuming, repetitive, or frustrating tasks in your business? These are prime candidates for automation. Once you've identified your pain points, start exploring the tools we've discussed. Many of them offer free trials or freemium plans so you can test them out and see how they fit into your workflow before committing. Don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly evolving, so the best way to learn is to dive in and start using it. You might be surprised at how quickly you pick it up and how much it can transform your business. Next, prioritize learning. So, there you have it. AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's a powerful tool that's available right now to help you unlock your side hustle's full potential. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, create amazing content, or uncover hidden opportunities, there's an AI solution out there for you. The key is to embrace the possibilities, to be open to learning new things, and to never stop experimenting. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and those who stay ahead of the curve will be the ones who reap the greatest rewards. Ready to turn AI into your ultimate side hustle accelerator? Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on more game-changing content. Comment below with the AI tool you're excited to try first.